Hello, this is a tutorial on how not to steal Mr. Praviti's calculators. All you gotta do is go to desmos.com and hit graphing calculator. When you are on there, there's this little thing in the corner that shows the keypad. You can also type things in using the keyboard. You can do this on your iPad as well. Let's say you wanted to do 10 divided by the sine of 56 degrees. Now you may notice it's giving you the wrong answer. Here's the problem, is that it's not set into degrees. So simply click this over here where it says graph settings, set it to degrees, and now it'll give you the correct answer, 12.06. Let's say you wanted to do 7 times the tan of 45. Oh, well, I guess tan of 45 is equal to 1 because 7 times tan of 45 is 7, okay? And you can just X these out when you're done with them. It'll record everything that you do. If you want to square something, so it's like, let's say you want to do 5 squared. There you go. Hit this button right there that says squared. Well, let's say you wanted to do 5 cubed or 7 cubed. 7, see where it says a to the power b. And you can put it to any power you like. 7 to the third is 343. If you want to do inverse, see where it says functions right here? It's got all types of different functions here that you can scroll through, but anyway, you're only interested in the trig and inverse trig functions for this unit. So let's say we wanted to find, hey, what angle gives me a sine of 0.5? Oh, turns out that's a 30-degree angle, and that's the inverse sine, also called the arc sine of 0.5. What angle gives me a inverse cosine of 0.5? Oh, that's 60 degrees. If I want, but most of them aren't going to be as clean. If I do inverse tangent of 3, okay, so that gives me 71.56 degrees. So anyway, most of the time you'll get these crazy irrational decimal numbers. That's perfectly fine, but these give you the same answers. Like there's no difference. So let's say I wanted to do something like, a lot of the time I might want to do a problem like inverse sine of 1 over 8. And it'll tell me that needs a 7.18 degree angle. So that means if I want to get a sine of 1/8, so the ratio is to be 1/8, then the angle that comes from needs to be 7.18 degrees. So this is how not to steal Mr. Praviti's calculators. Just go to Desmos, use those instead. Yeah, please get my calculators back.